I repainted my whole house by myself, and I decorated everything. Every room has butterflies.
You can't really blame Shantina Campbell for loving butterflies. They're beautiful creatures that sport an incredible sense of direction, a direction Shantina and her brother Wilbert were given at an early age.
That's just the way we was raised. My mom told me that you get your blessings from helping other people. She's told me and both my brothers that my whole life, and I've went by that my whole life.
In 2022, her heart hatched a plan to help the unhoused in her hometown of Galax, Virginia.
I've always noticed the homelessness, and it's always bothered me for some reason. Even when I was younger, if I see somebody today, I'm going to help them. I'm going to get them something to eat.
Her tiny, cozy dining room became a cocoon-like workshop where she packed essential supplies into several book bags before hitting the streets.
You could be one paycheck from being on the street yourself. You never know when that one book bag of mine may have to come to your household.
Shantina eventually noticed something that hit close to home: local kids needing school supplies.
I've been that single parent to know, like, school stuff is high.
She set out with a goal.
We're going to shoot for 80 of these book bags.
And quickly surpassed it.
Lo and behold, that year, I think I gave away 100 book bags, full from kindergarten to 12th grade. When you go to see them kids and they come to Roses and get them book bags, it ain't nothing like it. All right, Mr. Dern, here are some book bags for you, darling.
Still helping the homeless and now the kids, she formed a swarm with police and is partnering with a local church, hoping 2026 will be the biggest giveaway yet.
It takes a village to do this work.
As long as I work, I'll pick up some bags for her, and I'll distribute them to my other officers, and we'll proudly give them out.
As that's what the foundation of the church is built on, the hope that's in Christ. And so we can take that hope and share it through a book bag or through love or through a connection.
A connection that, for Shantina, goes back to those butterflies.
So I redid everything in butterflies for him because I know that's Wilbert. I just know it's something of him let me know he's around.
That is why Wilbert's name is on her foundation.
Wilbert had the biggest heart. He would help anybody do anything. So to see this, I know he'd be proud. I know he would.
He passed in 2024. And since then, she sees butterflies everywhere she goes and hears stories about how Wilbert, the ultimate social butterfly, helped those he cared about.
Just to hear the stories of people I don't even know. They just be like, your brother was awesome. Everywhere I go. That's the main thing. They'll say, I'm glad you're doing it for him.
Remarkably, Shantina's connection to both Sergeant Allie and Pastor Chuck originally came through Wilbert.
She's got the Book Bag Foundation, but what she's doing is deeper than that. It's about making people feel like they're seen and they're heard and that they matter.
I just treat people the way I want to be treated, and it's a good way to do that.
Does she get tired? Absolutely.
I'm out here 5 days a week, beating the pavement.
But like the butterflies that migrate thousands of miles, she never stops.
I wouldn't do nothing else. Like, really, this is it for me. This is what God called me to do.
In Galax, I'm Logan Sherrill, sharing this heart of our hometowns.